Sometimes if you put a new pour spout in, it's gonna be slow. But so we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do a traditional Jack and Coke. Simple ingredients, just gonna add your ice. Jack Daniels, boom. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes if you put a new pour spout in, it's gonna be slow, but it's supposed to be a 6 count. Top of your cola.
So we're making a Caribbean rum punch today, right? We have a soak effect. We're gonna add lots of rum to the triple sec. Let's see, I almost forgot the Karuba dark rum for the Caribbean rum punch. We're gonna go ahead and add it right now.